Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how much money YouTubers earn. So I'll show one website that Social Blade. Open this website and this is the Social Blade website. And now you have to enter the any YouTuber name like we many people know Amit Barana. So just type Amit Barana and enter. So that one is Amit Barana. Click on select the channel and now you can see about their all things like he's earned 2.2 million 138 lakh to 2.2 million dollar yearly, right? And their rank is 793 rank in social blade, and its subscriber rank is 363. Okay, and his earned estimately monthly earning is $11,000 with to $184,000. He can is earn daily something you can see it 362 5.9. It means estimate we can say 2000 to 3000 per day is earned from YouTube. Okay, and you can see another one like you have to just enter the name of the YouTuber like Prajakta. Prajakta's videos uh, mostly seen, right? Channel name is mostly seen. So you can see their earning also. So his earning is also earning 1.4 million yearly and 7.2 to 115 lakh estimated monthly earning. These all are in dollars. So you can imagine how much they earn. They earn a lot. They got subscriber per day is he got 4,212 subscribers today, and yesterday he got 10,000 subscribers. Okay, and now today he earned something $1,000, right? Too. So there are lots of YouTubers they earn too much from YouTube. If you want to be a YouTuber, so you also earn like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video. Thank you so much.